Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce the 12.3-inch touchscreen display special head unit for Toyota Corolla 2019 to 23 years. While it supports wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless. Okay, let me show this harness and the cables. This head unit screen. Let me show the harness first. Okay. This is a metal installation kit and screws. And this harness cable, this canvas decoder box. There are two harness cable already cut. This decoder box connects this cable. You can connect the canvas decoder box. And this for the radio antenna and camera input, backup camera, and special connector. You can check. Okay, and another cable you can check. Okay, also the factory backup camera still work. This is GPS antenna. And this 4G, this 4G SIM card slot, and there are cable from subwoofer and this amplifier 12 voltage, this external microphone, and camera input. This audio cable. And there are two for the original USB. This original USB adapter. Okay. And this USB. This antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, 4G, and there are two USB cable, and this back camera adapter, and this brake wire do not need to connect. This is audio cable adapter. Voltage. Okay. This is a head unit. You can check. And this connects the power cable. Please check. This is 4G, this is GPS, this is wire for the other connection, this is radio antenna. And there are two screws. Okay, let me connect the power. Just connect this connection. The head unit will be started. This head unit turn on. Okay. Let me show the head unit. There are 4 US dial. Let me check another one. When you back home, it change the US dial. This is 3. Okay. Okay. And let me change the original. Built in the instructions, user menu. And these settings. It's built in the Google navigation and auto link for the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bluetooth and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Let me check settings. It connects Wi-Fi and also their SIM card. You can put the SIM card's cable. It works with the 4G. And let me check our website. Belsee.com, Belsee.com. This is original car information. This car type, and please do not change this door lock settings, climate, light. Okay. And let me check settings about device. You can check the Android 12 system. Memory, total 8 GB, and storage, total 128 GB. This is car information. about device, this MCU and other information. And this factory settings. Please check this break there. If not, you can't watch a video. Okay. And if you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you. This auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto already built in. Okay, thank you.